Hi guys, today we're installing the JW speaker fog lights. It's 6145 series. It's a normal series, not the J series, because we have a 2011 JK. The J series is designed specifically for 2012 plus JKs because they changed the electrical system since then. Like you can see, it comes with a connector here. Unfortunately, it's not just plug and play. You need to wire these things in this connector. That's what we're gonna do today, and I'm going to show you how to do. And this is how they look like compared to the stock fog lights. So I've got here a crimping tool, bought some heat shrink sleeves, and all the tools I need to wire it. And I got a soldering kit here, so we're gonna solder the wires. So I prepared the bullbar here already. I took the fog lights out and prepared the wiring for the work. So we're gonna cut off this stock connector and connect the new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the wires for soldering. Heat shrink over it. Just like that. Okay, the connector part is ready. Now we need to cut off the stock connector. I'm gonna go ahead and test the lights first. So just connect them temporary. There you go. It's working. So I have prepared the wires for soldering here. This is how it looks at the end. Now I put the heat shrink over it. Now we get the lighter and put some heat on it. Okay, let's test them. Looks like wiring was successful. Now we're gonna go ahead and install them back into the bullbar.